Hello, Tachidele, and I would like to share you a little bit about meditation instruction. So this time I want to share about awareness. So I think many of you know awareness, right? So awareness is anyway. Maybe I will do my old trick. So now my old trick, I'm remembering my old trick. So which one? Okay. So how many of you know awareness? Raise your hand. Okay. I see. How many of you don't know awareness? Raise your hand. Okay. So this is a trick, right? So the meaning of this trick is, those of you who think that you know awareness and raising your hand, of course, you know awareness. And those who said, I don't know awareness, that means you know awareness. You have awareness, you know awareness. Because your mind be aware that I don't have awareness. So there's awareness. So basically, awareness is with us all the time. Whether you have thought or not, whether you have emotion or not, whether your mind distract or not, whether you become unconscious or not. So awareness is always there. But the main point is we have to realize our awareness. Recognize our awareness. So what we call non-meditation, but not distraction or not get lost. Not get lost, but no meditation. So maybe I will give you one example. What is the meaning of get lost? Get lost is like mindless. I think some people call mindless, or it's like unconscious. And then thinking, go to the past, go to the future. You are not with yourself. So mindless, unconscious. As soon as you know you're lost, in that moment you already recognize your awareness. So for example, first you lost like this. Oh, I lost. In that moment, you will feel like you are wake up. There's sense of feeling like wake up, or you're back to conscious. Before there's unconscious mind, right? So become conscious, or mindful, not mindless. Before that is mindless. Oh, I forgot my meditation. As soon as you remember your meditation, your mindfulness back. So sense of presence, presentness, and after that, you don't have to do anything. Be with that presentness. So you don't have to meditate again. So this way, no need to meditate, but not get lost. So that's the essence of all the meditation and fundamental practice of all the meditation. So I know many of you did Joy of Living Level 1. And Joy of Living Level 1, there are so many meditation techniques, meditation with the form, sound, smell, taste, sensation, or there are many other meditation techniques, not necessarily with the Joy of Living levels. So other traditions like breathing meditations, the body sensation meditation, so many meditation techniques. Looks like many, but actually it's only one. The one is awareness. So as long as if you realize your awareness, you cultivate your awareness, then you are fine. You are safe. Okay, thank you.